Honda is making significant strides in the Chinese market with the introduction of 6 new electric vehicles under its E-series of EVs. The automaker has pulled the covers off the P7 and S7 crossovers, slated to hit the roads by the end of 2024, while also teasing the GT concept, offering a glimpse into a sleek, low-profile model scheduled for late 2025. Additionally, 3 more E-series EVs are on the horizon, set to join the lineup by 2027 alongside the existing E/N series models already available in China, as Honda aims to rival the likes of BYD. According to Honda, Yi translates to shine in Chinese, symbolizing the series' focus on the joy of driving and individuality. These models showcase a simplified and frameless H emblem, specially crafted for Honda's next-generation EVs, and embrace a new styling direction characterized by vivid colors and distinctive sharp details. The crossovers, slated for release later this year, feature the blue P7, described as sophisticated, and the yellow Yi S7, noted for its emotional appeal. Both models share a similar profile, highlighted by black pillars, flush door handles, mirror-replacing cameras, and angular wheel arches. However, differences emerge in their front and rear designs. The Yi P7 embodies Honda's signature aesthetic, while the Yi S7 exudes Cadillac-inspired vibes, particularly from the rear angle. While interior images are yet to be revealed, Honda promises spacious cabins designed to provide comfort for all occupants, along with an AI-powered assistant controlling LED ambient lighting on the dashboard and door panels. Technical specifications remain undisclosed, but Honda confirms that the Yi series will ride on a new EV-dedicated architecture developed in China. The crossovers will offer the choice between single and dual electric motors, with RWD versions promising sporty handling and AWD models delivering enhanced power and responsiveness. The Yi GT concept shares the same design language but boasts a sleeker, low-profile silhouette akin to a Grand Tourer. Comparable in size to the Civic, this concept showcases upscale LED lighting, refined styling cues, and a gracefully sloping roofline towards the rear. The futuristic interior boasts a driver-centric design, with a chassis setup focused on delivering sharp driving dynamics. Additionally, the front passenger benefits from a special, far-focused display offering an immersive experience akin to a private theater. It remains to be seen how many of these features will make it into the production version set to debut by the end of 2025. The Yi P7, S7, and GT concept will make their public debut at the 2024 Beijing Auto Show before entering production by the Dongfeng Honda and Guangqi Honda joint ventures. Honda aims to introduce a total of 10 EVs in China by 2027, including the 6 models from the Yi series, as it continues its journey towards becoming an EV-only brand in the region by 2035.